being able to stay family owned and be able to survive, it's not easy. The trials and tribulations you have to go through in order to get to the point where we're at, but it takes a whole team. It's just not me, it's not 2 or 3 of us, it's a whole team that has to get us here. My name's Brandon Bentz. I'm the Vice President of Fusion Tech Integrated Inc. So we are a family-owned business. We employ around 100 employees. So a lot of what we do is we take concepts and ideas from customers, and we like to say that we build relationships and partnerships instead of just one-off projects. So we take them concepts and ideas and collaborate with the customers and design, build, fabricate, and install, and then service all of our own equipment. We'll take this from one piece of equipment all the way through a whole plant build. We are ISO 9001 certified. We are a UL listed panel shop. Them are the 2 main certifications we have. We do have some airflow patents that we hold in the US and in Europe. And we're proud to say that our innovation center is USDA inspected. So now we have the capability and ability to produce products for end users and allow customers to come in and test products and send to their end users as well.
My name is Dan Bentz, and I am the after sales manager here at Fusion Tech. I've been here for 19 years now. Kind of grew up with the company from one end to the other, so we definitely have become way more than what we ever anticipated as a company. So right now my primary responsibility is kind of the after the sales or more on the service side of things. So a lot of our customers have always asked in the past, that's great that you guys do all these things, but then what happens when something is broken, who do we call? And so the short answer is that you still continue to call Fusion Tech. We focused on our service and support because a lot of our competitors, they will do the design engineering, they'll build the equipment, but then they didn't necessarily install the equipment. Now if we have this equipment out there, how do we keep it running? How do we operate it? How do they keep it operating properly? And we service the equipment now too. So we're even getting into service contracts so we can sign up with our customers so they can continue to come back to Fusion Tech and we can keep the equipment running. We can train them in the field. We can make sure they're maintaining it properly. And again, that's kind of that continuous support that we feel is very important.
Josh Walker, I'm a Senior Project Manager at Fusion Tech. I've been with Fusion Tech for 21 years now. What I do at Fusion Tech is customers would contact us and they have an issue or a problem that they need resolved. We would then come up with a solution to help them out with their problem. I'm also proud of the people. Being here as long as I have, I've trained a lot of these guys. They came from high school and, so I do take a lot of pride in the people that we have. Fusion Tech is your one-stop shop. So it's your turnkey. We do everything from concept to completion. We can do everything that is involved in the food processing industry. No matter how simple or complex, we have done it.
Everyone has seen that the owners have invested in this company, and you're continually adding new things that most companies won't. You don't see most owners when they get to a certain point. It's not the case here. Very invested, and I wish people would just take a minute and think about what we're trying to do, not just for our future, but for everybody's future.